Welcome to my Kalika Kutara Commerce Classes YouTube channel. Myself, Parashuram, I'm National Professor in Commerce. ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಅಪ್ರೋಚಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೌ ದಿ ಅಪ್ರೋಚಸ್ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ದ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ನೀವು ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಮಾಡದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ನೀವಿನ್ನ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ನನ್ನ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ, ಹಾಗೆ ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕಾನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನನ್ನ ಲೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಆನ್ ಅಪ್ರೋಚಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್. Once again, I welcome you all to my presentation on working capital mix. ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, before we start off with the approaches for financing working capital, let us understand what is working capital mix. So working capital mix ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So the meaning of working capital ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ, it is a combination of sources of capital used to finance working capital. So mix is nothing but it is a combination or mixture or proportion of sources of capital which is used for financing the working capital of a business. So on the sources of working capital, in the previous video I told you there are two sources. One is the short term sources, another one the long term sources. So here in case of working capital mix, it is nothing but the combination of short term and the long term funds which is used for the purpose of financing the working capital of a business. Next, moving on to the decision being a financial manager has to take with respect to the combination of sources of long term as well as short term funds in order to finance the working capital of a business. That is, the decision is the selection of appropriate mix of short term and long term funds to finance the current assets with a view to make trade off between risk and return. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಫಿನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ has to take decision with respect to the selection of appropriate mix of short term as well as long term funds. So short term funds are the funds which are available for a shorter period. Long term funds are the funds which are available for a longer period. So here the businessman has to decide about the combination of the short term and the long term funds in order to finance the current assets, keeping in mind the risk and return factors of a investment. So risk and return. Risk andre eno? Risk is nothing but it's a fear of incurring loss. Return is nothing but the profit which is earned on investment. So the investment in current assets is made with a view to earn profit and with a view to minimize the risk. So risk and return are to be taken into account while deciding upon the appropriate mix of short term and long term funds. So next one, you know that the working capital is classified into two categories. One is the permanent working capital, another one the temporary working capital. So in the previous videos while discussing about the kinds of working capital, I told you what is permanent working capital and temporary working capital. So permanent working capital is a capital which remains fixed, which will not change according to the level of operation of a business. Temporary working capital is a capital which changes according to the circumstances. The permanent working capital is also called as fixed working capital. The temporary working capital is also called as variable working capital or seasonal working capital. If I give the example, for running a business for a month, the company requires rupees 50,000 for doing a 1 month business. So the amount required over and above rupees 50,000 can be called as temporary working capital or seasonal working capital. So permanent working capital is nothing but the capital which is fixed. Temporary working capital is a capital which varies according to the circumstances. Coming to the strategy of financing working capital. So the businessman has to decide about the mix of working capital. So mix are nothing but the sources, a combination of sources of long term as well as short term funds to finance the current assets of business. So what are the strategies or approaches available for the businessman to decide upon the working capital mix? Let us see one by one. The strategies, we call it as approaches of working capital. Mainly there are three approaches for working capital mix. The first approach is conservative approach. So according to the conservative approach, let it be permanent working capital and temporary working capital. The total working capital of a business is financed fully or majorly by the long-term funds. So here, whether it is permanent working capital or the short-term working capital or temporary working capital, both type of working capital is financed through long-term funds. So majorly or fully the activities are financed by long-term funds under the conservative approach. The next approach is moderate approach or matching approach. So here in case of moderate approach or the matching approach, the permanent working capital of a business is financed by long-term sources and the temporary working capital is financed by short-term sources. So here the businessman matches the maturity of sources of funds with the nature of asset. If the nature of asset it is fixed in nature, if it is fixed asset, I mean to say fixed working capital or permanent working capital, that is financed by long-term sources. And the temporary working capital, which varies according to the season, or which varies to the according to the level of activity of a business, is financed by short-term sources. So that is how we are financing the working capital under the moderate approach or matching approach. We match the maturities of funds with the nature of asset. That is why we call it as matching approach or moderate approach. One more name is there, the hedging approach. This moderate, matching, hedging, all are same. The names are substitute for this approach. The last approach is aggressive approach. So aggressive approach, according to the aggressive approach, whether let it be the permanent working capital or the temporary working capital, any total working capital is fully or majorly financed by short-term funds. So here the businessman uses short-term funds for financing permanent as well as temporary working capital of a business. So coming to the suitability of approaches of working capital, where the conservative approach is suitable, where the moderate approach is suitable, and where the aggressive approach is suitable. So this first one, the conservative approach is suitable when the economy is in the recession period. So recession period, you know that in the recession period, there is less demand for goods and services, and the investment in current asset may not fetch good profit or good number of profit or good size of profit. So then in that case, conservative approach is suitable, and the company at the firm is risk averse or it don't want to take any kind of risk. In that case, it can go for conservative approach. Coming to the moderate approach or matching approach, where it is suitable. The moderate approach or matching approach is suitable when the conditions are normal. The economic conditions are normal. There is a normal demand for services. The investment in current asset will give you normal rate of return. So in that case, we can follow the moderate approach or the matching approach of working capital. Suitability of aggressive approach. The aggressive approach is suitable when there is boom period in the economy, boom situation in the economy, and this aggressive approach of financing working capital will carry higher risk, and also when you take higher risk, the profit will also be higher. So boom period is a period wherein there is a more demand for goods and services, so investment made will fetch higher profit, and also it will carry higher risk. So this is about the approaches of working capital. We have studied about the working capital mix. Working capital mix is a combination of short-term sources of capital, short-term and long-term sources of finance for financing working capital. The financial manager has to decide about the selection of appropriate mix of sources of funds to finance the current assets with a view to achieve trade-off between risk and return. So for making achieving the risk and trade-off between risk and return, we are having these approaches: conservative approach, moderate approach, and aggressive approach. Conservative approach carries lower risk and also lower profit. Moderate approach carries moderate risk and moderate profit. Aggressive approach carries higher risk and higher profit. So these approaches are applicable in different conditions. So conservative approach is applicable when there is a recessionary condition. Moderate approach is applicable when there is a normal condition. Aggressive approach is applicable when there is a boom. Of this beautiful lecture on approaches of working capital. I hope that you guys have really enjoyed this video, and I too have enjoyed this video. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ನೀವು ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಹಾಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಮುಂದಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗೋಣ. ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.